I got this for $2.35, and it's I just got it for now so that I can. It's just it's not real. It's just costume jewelry necklace, but it's kinda cool looking. It's big.